All right, so I wanted to show you the release mechanism to unlock it when you're done using it or when you're getting ready to start. So there's a blue button right there, has a little ridge. So what you do is you put 4 fingers at the bottom, your thumb here. So what you do is you press up. So watch. Once you press up, the hydraulics lift it up for you, and then you just slide the basin out. And the fill line is to the side right here, to that middle line. Or if you look in the middle, it has a bubble. So to the top of the dome, that's your fill level. So if you're gonna use it just as an air cleaner, fill it to the top there, to the bubble. And then what you do is slide it all the way in, okay, where it can't go no more. In other words, if you do that, it's not gonna lock. So you gotta push it all the way to the back. There, it's all the way to the back. And I tell people with 2 hands, see where my hands are? Push down firmly, and then that'll lock it into place. And then it's ready to get used just as an air cleaner, okay? So we'll stop there. Press the button.